So this is how to buy USDC cryptocurrency here in Canada using Robinhood. So once Robinhood is open, at the bottom there's three different options. Select the one in the middle that has the magnifying glass. Now once you're here, if you were to go under trending lists and sort it by market cap, if you scroll down a little bit here, you should be able to find USDC, or if you want to go to volume as well, USDC is the third option, but you can also just go to the top here and search up USDC and then select it. So once you're on the USDC page just like this, at the bottom where it says buy, press that. Then on this page in the top right, if you select market order, you can then change your order type. So in my case, I have market order in Canadian dollars or market order in USDC. I will keep it at market order in Canadian dollars for this example. Now once you're here, you can then type in how much crypto you want to buy of USDC. So if you wanted to buy $5 worth, you would type in 5 and then in the middle press review. Then on this page, you can review the transaction so you can see how much USDC you're purchasing, the fees, as well as the total cost. And if this looks good, you can go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order just like that. So that is how to buy USDC crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.